Stop by and take a look at the 2011 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, ambient lighting, braking assist. Inside you'll find cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power steering, door courtesy lights, tachometer, airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2 cargo area light, trip odometer. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.